I can start. First I'm going to open Mill9. That is for Mastercam software. I'm going to create line. The line I'm going to select. First I'm going to draw the horizontal line pickup. You have to enter the coordinates of that point. First I'm going to enter 5,5 and another endpoint coordinate I entered. So you can see the horizontal line is showing like this. Okay, then I am going to again create a line. I am going to hit enter button. Same command will be repeated and coordinates entered. Okay, now I am going to create vertical line. So vertical line, you have to enter that two coordinates. First coordinates, that point, and end point is another coordinates I have to enter. You can see in the bottom of left side the command will show. So to complete another vertical line I have to draw. For that I am going to enter will resume the previous command. Okay, again I put it the coordinates of the box. So that is fits to screen to view full view of the image. So now I need a trimming the fillet shape. So for that I am going for edit, modify, trim. So by choosing radius of the fillet I have to give whatever the radius requirement. You can enter the radius. So radius I am going to enter radius as say 10 mm or 5 mm, whatever you need. After enter, click on the two lines where we need a fillet. So here also that two lines, and here also, and here too. So whole path we converted. This is the path where the tool is moving. So again go to the main menu. I need a drill in center 2 points. So the for that, okay, pause that video. Okay, I need a drill hole here, 2 holes. So for that I am going to create arc. For creating circle arc, center point and radius or center point diameter, whatever we know we can give. I am going to give center point and diameter. So here enter the diameter. So whatever value 10 mm, say 10 mm I am going to give, and you have to enter the coordinates of the center points. You can pick up the on the screen, otherwise you can enter the values of the coordinate values of that point, center point. So if you again click enter, same command will repeat, and you have to enter the another center point for that particular center. So this whole path is contour path. These two are drilling point to point motion we need for. So a tool paths and contour tool path. This is the contour path, continuous movement. So I am going to select contour tool path here. It's if you click on that profile cell, you have to enter done. 2 times done, that white screen will come. Right click on that, you get tool from library. There you have to select the flat end mill. The size say 5 mm or 10 mm, 2 mm, whatever the requirement based on the flat end mill you have to select. Okay, here I am going to select flat end 2 mm size. Okay, these parameters and all whatever you need you can fix it. For say offset, retract, cool and on or required feed rate, spindle speed, whatever the values you can enter. After that you can have to okay. Yes, you can clearly see the how tool is moving. Yes, okay. So next I need drilling operation. For that also I have to select drill in toolpath, drill operation, drill. Okay, I have to select that profile, the 2 circles, done. 2 times done, you can see the toolpath done. So again I have to select, right click on that, get the tool from library. Here you can see the drill different size. So whatever need a 10 mm diameter drill. Okay, so okay, so drill tools also you can see. Now I have to verify it's working or not. So operations, toolpaths operations, check on two things and verify. Here if you play you can clearly see the animation. How is toolpath working? So for this you have to go to the toolpaths operations, and you have to check up two things are check up and verify this. After verifying, you have to click on the first for generating codes. First you have to checkbox save NC files. Click on checkbox OK. After that you have to save the file. Whatever you have to see, you can save in the desktop by giving the name of any name. For that file you have to give the name and save it. Okay, save. Okay, that's it. Now you have saved. You can check in the screen where it is. You can check file is saved in somewhere. I forget to know where it is saving. I don't know. Again we will try operations. Here first checkbox of NC files, save file name. Another name I am going to give. What name? Some name and save. Okay. Okay, minimize fields. Can search. Oh, sorry, somewhere it's missing. There it is. Wait, we will see. Here it is. Set mode side. The file is there. When we open this is the CNC program for particular that profile. Easily we can get the CNC program.